Hello everyone, myself Pooja Tomar under the supervision of our faculty or our teacher or our guide Mr. Indranil Chatterjee of Speech Language Pathologies and Audiologies from Aliawar Jung National Institute for Speech and Hearing Disabilities Divyangjan. So today I am here to just making this video to aware professionals and non-professional users of voice during this pandemic era or the COVID-19 era. As we all know that from last 2 to 3 months of all of us giving therapies and taking classes online and speaking for a longer duration. So as we care for our body, we do prefer yoga. Similarly, we should also think about to do care for our vocal cords or vocal structures. So we can also think about how to relax, how to give the care to our voice and the structures for the voice production. So, like yoga, Asha has described little bit about vocal spa or the as similar as the body spa. So, vocal spa is also plays a role in relaxing our vocal structures or vocal cords. So, I'm starting with my video. So, what is voice? Basically, the voice is our identity from which we can identify the person's state or the mental state of a person. Voice is our unique characteristics of a person's identity also. So, voice is important for all of us and it's a way of communication to each other. When you are done with pampering your wearing voice, you can share these activities which I am going to tell you about with your clients or other talking professionals like singers, actors, teachers, customer service agent, physical and occupational therapists, lawyers and many more. So what are the therapies or what are the activities which we can use as a vocal spa in our daily routine? As we all know that we all are at home and working from home, so we can give a short period of time or couple of minutes to our body, so to our vocal folds to relax our vocal structures. So I am starting a day with a vocal spa. Vocal spa mean a relaxing or soothing your vocal structures or calm down your vocal structure for their better performance while or during the whole day. So completing some vocal calisthenics in the morning can do a lot to get the voice calibrated and warm for a busy vocal day. And the lip or tongue thrill exercise, which are generally we prescribe to the patients, and gently hum are a great way to get the voice up and running. You can try these exercises again at the end of the busy vocal day to cool down your stuck vocal structure or to cool down your vocal cords. Another exercise or another technique which we can do in our home during this period, we can steam room and the Brahmin bathroom. These are the popular techniques using by the Britishers, but we can use steamers or vaporizers are the popular used by the singers or the non-professional voice users. Many people enjoy the warm, soothing feeling of the personal steamer inhaler. So inhaler can also be benefited to our vocal structures. Others might benefit from the humidifier for their room and work areas. Another vocal spa massage due techniques can be of 3 types basically. The mini massage for vocal folds, Swedish massage for neck and jaw, and hydrotherapy for the vocal tract and the larynx. So what is mini massage for the vocal cords? We all know that vocal cords are the basic structure for the voice production. So to relax these structures, we need to do massage like semi-occluded vocal tract exercise such as strophonation can act like a little massage for the vocal folds by encouraging gentle range of motion and efficient vocal fold vibration. This is not only the warm up the voice but can even be facilitate some healing and recovery after extended voice use. So for recovering your extended use of voice, you can use the semi-occluded vocal tract exercise like such as a strophonation, phonation with the help of straw like ooh, little hum like these exercise can be helped to massage your vocal folds. You can do this exercise at home and in the morning. Another exercise or the massage, vocal spa massage, is the Swedish massage for the neck and jaw. Sometimes voice fatigue is related to the stress in the surrounding muscles also, such as jaw, neck and tongue. So massaging these areas can help relieve some discomfort accumulated from a day of voice use. So some people find relief with a warm neck and shoulder pillow also. Another thing which we can do is the hydrotherapy for the vocal tract and the larynx. So many factors can lead to sense of the dryness in the throat. Dehydrated vocal folds can fatigue more quickly. So what do you need? We all know the vocal hygiene. So you need to hydrate your vocal folds while talking or while giving the teletherapy or while giving the online or taking the online classes. A person handheld nebulizer with 0.09% saline is like getting a hydrofacial for your throat also. Micronized saline infuses hydration into the nasal passage, throat and the laryngeal area, leaving you with the moist tissue. So this tends to be more moisturizing than a traditional personal steamer. So for moisturizing your vocal tract and larynx, you can use the personal steamer also, or you can use the water sip or the lukewarm water, which is also recommended to the patient with the corona to take the warm water during the day, which help to hydration to the vocal folds. As Statler Brown sees that and the challenges which he has faced in the early intervention during this lockdown period or during this COVID era. So, but what they have said that the biggest challenge was the biggest opportunity. Means what? The big challenges is the biggest, so the opportunity is also be the biggest. So taking this quote as a reference, you can use your voice, you can use your you can use this period of biggest challenging period of the coronavirus to convert to it into the biggest opportunities. You can warm up your voice, you can be a good speaker during this period, and while doing the practice with your vocal folds and using these some short vocal spa exercise at your home regularly, similarly as the yoga. So what they have said that's your familiarity with your coaching, how much you are teaching your voice or how much you are teaching yourself is the biggest thing, or the familiarity with your coaching, how much you are giving time to your things to do in a perfect way. So in this challenging situation, we can take the advantage to this challenging phase also. So I hope this video might be helpful for all of you. So keeping this in mind, that the biggest challenge was also the biggest opportunity. While doing the relaxing your body with the help of yoga, you can also give some time to your vocal cords and the vocal spa massage, which might help to you for the better communication or the better production of your voice, and to intervene you from the many other voice disorders. I hope you all like this video, and thank you for listening this video.